for your drills. If you have a screwdriver, electrical, battery wise, or regular ones, you could actually fit these in anywhere. So they give you a couple of things that you should be aware. These are actually pretty good because I actually use these a lot and I keep losing them, to be honest with you. So this is a great gift for the holidays. If you know somebody that's pretty handy, this is something great. It comes with multiple systems, and like you said, you could take out the whole system and pick them up and see what you have, and you can even take them off the actual box itself. But we're just gonna fold them out so you guys can see the 50 set that you have in here. You have an extender, a couple of extensions. You guys can see that. And right now we're actually gonna work with them because we need to mount something up in the ceiling. So we're actually gonna take these out. We're gonna have to see what fits this washer here, and pretty much it's the standard one. So it's this one right here. This is the one that we're gonna fit in. That's what we're gonna use. We're also gonna do an extension, and then I like this one. This is another of my favorite ones, the long Phillips, because you get toys these seasons. It's very difficult to install if you don't have a thin Phillips like this one, right? So this is too thick in the head, if you guys can see that. And these are flat heads, if you can see. They give you plenty of different kinds of tips. I could list them all, but there's so many of them. It's a great gift. Great for anybody that works in construction to have. And it's not a bad idea to have extras, to be honest with you. So if you have them, you keep losing them, well, you can always come back to this case. So I like that it comes out enclosure in the case and everything's included. So hope you guys enjoy the video.